I'm going to try to show you this card trick. I don't know if you can see. There have 4 aces. Oh, here. Oh, yeah. Okay, there we go. 4 aces. And I've got four kings. But I'm going to take 3 of these kings and put them on the top of the deck. Okay, so here's my deck. I'm putting the 3 kings right on top of the deck. There's king. Okay. Okay, there. That's better. Okay. I got three kings on top of the deck and 3 aces. Come on. There's my 3 aces. And there's 3 kings followed by 3 aces. Then I take a king and an ace. I put the ace at the bottom, and then I put those 2 cards on the bottom of the deck. So there they are on the bottom. Now, first I deal 3 cards face down on the deck. Of course, the cards will be, since the 3 aces are on the top of the deck, then when I deal this down, ace will go down, the next ace will go down, and the 3rd ace will go down on the table. Okay, then I deal more cards on those 3 piles until I keep dealing until somebody says to stop. So let's say they say stop on this card. So I turn those cards face up. 8 of hearts, 7 of diamonds, and the 6 of clubs. They go face up. Okay, then I take the whole deck with the ace at the bottom and I place it on top of one of those piles. So there. Then I pick up that whole pile and I put it on the next pile and pick that up and put it on the 3rd pile. So now I've got some cards face up and some face down. But I continue dealing from the top of the deck, putting 1 card at a time down until somebody says stop. So I'm on this card, another card, and then they say stop. So I take the next card and I turn it face up. I'm not very good at this. Then I take the whole deck with an ace at the bottom and I put it on top of that last pile. Okay, now I spread the cards on the table till I find a face-up card. So I just slide the cards one over the other till I find the first face-up card, which is quite a ways down. And here's the first face-up card but you can't see. Yeah, but the face-up card is not the ace, it's the card with that you can't see, but the ace is on top of that card, so it actually looks like this. The 6 is the face-up card, and unknown to the onlookers, that ace is on top of that 6. So I put that down on the table with the 6 facing up and the ace facing down. Okay, then I take all the cards that I selected, all these cards, I put them down on the table in a separate pile. Then I continue going through the deck till I find the next face-up card, which it's facing me, not you, but it's I take these 2 cards that I thumbed through, put them down on the table. Then I put the face-up card and the card on top of it, I put that somewhere else on the table. And then I continue going through the cards till I find the next face-up card, which is just about here. I take these 2 cards, put them on the table, and I put the face-up card somewhere else on the table. Then I look for the next face-up card. I have to take away 2 cards. I put them on the table. Then I take the face-up card and the one above it. That goes on the table. And then I have some extra cards. I just put them on top of one of the previous piles. So now I have 4 piles facing down and 4 cards facing up. Now there's an 8 of hearts, okay, and a 7 of diamonds, and a 6 of clubs, and what do we got? 2 of diamonds. So now I turn over the face down cards that were on top of the face up cards. So I'm going to turn over this card that my fingers are on, and it happens to be the ace of spades. So I found an ace, I turn it face up, I go to the next face up card, which is the 7 of diamonds. I turn over the face down card, and it turns out to be another ace. I'm not very good at, yeah, there we go. Put that down, go to the 6 of clubs, and turn over the face down card, and it's the ace of diamonds. And then I go to the next face-up card, which was 2 of diamonds, turn over the face-down card, and it's the ace of clubs. Okay. So I found the 4 aces. Then I go to those 4 piles that were face down, and I turn the bottom card face up, and it happens to be a king of diamonds. Then I turn over the next pile, the king of spades. Turn over the next pile. It's the king of clubs. And turn over the last pile. It's king of hearts. So after the trick was done, the 4 aces show up on the face-up cards, and the 4 piles, the 4 kings show up at the bottom of each of the 4 piles that are left on the table. So that's how that trick goes. So let's see if I can save this recording